Okay, so in Ninja Professional 15 watts blender is not working. I'll plug it on, show you it coming on. It's spinning, but the blade is not spinning. One more again. Okay, so you're not spinning. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show you what the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so your Ninja Professional 15 watts blender is not working. Well, actually working, but the blade not spinning. Okay, so I'll plug it on and show you it coming on, but the blade not spinning. Power. Okay, so the blade not spinning, as you can see. You're getting power. So I'll take out the mug and show you that this blade is not the problem. As you can see, everything good. So the blade is not the problem. The problem is this wheel. Alright, so now the inner wheel spinning. Right, the inner wheels it working, but the outer wheel that hold this wheel for the blade is not spinning. Alright, so when I put it on, this part inside spinning, this small part inside spinning, but not the outer part. Alright, so I will plug it on and show you again. Now you need a piece of pin like this, piece of wire, hard wire, to activate the switch. Alright, so this is the switch that activate. You press it down, so you press power, then you activate the switch, and then you press it now. So you see this not turning. When it's supposed to turn, normally this is supposed to turn and turn the blade. I'll show you again. Power on. With this, the problem with this is that I will unplug this. It have 3 small gear wheels below this, so whenever this part turn, the 3 small gear wheel just turn with this to activate this to turn this big wheel. Right, so the 3 gear wheel just work together with this part to turn this bigger gear wheel. And the problem with this is that the gear wheel, it wear down, it mash up. So I'll show you. This is the 3 gear wheel. As you can see it in pieces. Right, so you can see it in pieces. It's supposed to be small and round like this. Like this one. As you can see it open out. Right, so you're supposed to have 3 gear wheel below this part. So whenever this part turns, the gear wheel will turn and turn this bigger wheel. So that's the problem already. The problem is that these small plastic gear wheel, it wear down, it mash up, so it cannot work. Now for this to work, for you to fix this, you have to get the gear wheel replacement. Once you get the gear wheel replacement, you install it and everything will be working good again. This will be spinning, and when it spin, the blade will be spinning. So there you have it. Now you know the problem with the Ninja Professional 15 watts blender and why it's not spinning. I hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.